And the old single jet ski trailer struggles are in full effect, as you can tell by this white truck, which is struggling to get this thing back down here. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Boynton Beach. So, starting to make the approach, kind of getting it going the right direction. There we go. Doesn't look too bad now. Slowly backing it down. I mean, he's got to... doesn't like it. Gonna straighten it out a little bit. I think they were okay there, though. A little close to the dock. Probably would like to be a little more to the left. The closer we get to this dock, the less room you really have to maneuver. So here we go. A little Boynton wobble action as we're going to try and back it down. And he's really close to the dock, and he's got to come all the way back around now. Oh! Gonna go off-road style on the ramp. And realizes, yeah, we can't do that. Oh. Almost better off to pull forward here a little bit. Try and get yourself a little straighter line. That was not a good line there. There we go. And starts off going the wrong direction. Quickly catches it though, comes back. I mean, you've got the whole ramp to work with, bro. Just send it. Well, I guess we don't want to send it. They'll probably jackknife it if we did that. Always a tough one to watch, these guys. I mean, I understand the struggle when you can't see it, but you got to learn to drop the tailgate, guys. You drop the tailgate on this one, all of a sudden you can see the trailer. Life becomes way easier. But here we go. Making some progress, looking pretty solid, taking full advantage of the ramp. I mean, they've got the whole ramp, all 3 lanes right here that they can use. At least for the moment. Bringing it back. And the trailer's going in sideways, but I got a feeling they're going to take that and they're going to try and load the ski on it just as it sits. And we're in park. Here comes our pro line in on approach. And taking the slow roll approach. Like it. Can't tell which dock they're trying to go to, though, because it appears they're trying to go to the dock that's on their starboard side. I thought for a minute they were going to try and go forward to the dock in front of them, but nope, we're going to back up and try and make this turn around on this other dock. So, continuing to roll. Back into forward gear, starting to make our turn. The sun always gets killer this time of year in Boynton around this time that we're filming, and it starts blowing everything out, and our crew, I'm not sure what they're doing. So our guy's gonna back out again. I think he decided he was gonna go to the dock in front of him. Now he sees the boat backing in and says, no, I don't want to do that. This boat's backing in there, and is gonna come back over to the dock once again on the starboard side. So making their turn in on their approach for that one. And it looks like one of our guys has got a boat hook out, so they're going for the grab, but a little too far away, and they're drifting toward the dock. They try to shy away from. Gonna get the assist on the dock. Don't pull him in. He's gonna start pulling him over. Oh, and they wind up hitting. It looks like Captain gave it a little bump of forward throttle and wind up hitting the dock. So our guy's trying to pull it. Somebody needs to push off on the bow to kind of get this thing back around. The human boat tug of war, always a fun one. They are struggling. There we go. Finally getting the pullover, and this crew should be good. And on the dock we go. Good to roll. Now our same crew that struggled to get on the dock, here we go. Time to put her on the trailer. Let's see if they have a little more success with that. Trying to power it on. I can hear the bunks. Maybe they're okay. They seem like they're floating a little deep, though. Oh, nope, I guess not. We're still trying to get it on. And I think it's because the trailer's too deep. So the trailer's too deep, so the rear bunks aren't engaging at all, allowing him to kind of slide around on the trailer. Because right there, it looked like he'd slidden off the front guide bunks as well for a moment. They're just trying to hold it there. And we're gonna power on again, but once again, tough to tell from this angle. Maybe he's on right, but the boat doesn't look like it's sitting right now. I mean, it still appears they're not fully on. Right here, it actually looks pretty good. The boat's sitting pretty good at this point. I'm assuming somebody's up at the bow eye trying to get the chain on and get it, well, get the winch on and get it winched up. Somebody's saying four-wheel drive, so because the tires are in the water, I think he told them to put it in four-wheel drive. As they just mentioned it again. So they should be ready for the pullout. Here we go, but nobody trimmed the motor up. And that's the motor dragging. Oh, they forgot to trim it up. They'll trim it up, I guess, to get out of here, but man, they drug pretty solid right there for a second. Thankfully, somebody heard it, and they were able to stop the driver. That one could have gotten ugly. But I think they're trimming up now. They should be good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.